Thank you for checking out crypto.chartguys.com, the source for technical analysis in the cryptocurrency world. We are proud to announce our own crypto alert system designed to give you the most critical technical trading information possible no matter where you are. Keep your eyes on the market with mobile or email alerts for MACD crosses, RSI levels, and even inside bar alerts for dozens of coins across multiple exchanges. New features and proprietary ChartGuys indicators are already in development. Our alert system is very easy to customize and utilize, so don't hesitate to sign up for the most effective crypto trading tool on the market at crypto.chartguys.com. Hey everyone, just a quick check-in as I'm going to be traveling in a few hours, so I won't get to the normal time video. But pretty much just following through with everything that we highlighted in the video live yesterday. We were looking for the potential of a daily lower high forming on all of these names, and that is the case. We formed a lower high compared to 8,880. That new lower high is 8,600, and now we're consolidating. So in the video yesterday, highlighted that if we lose the hourly higher low pattern, we then zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. If we lose the 4-hour higher low pattern, we zoom out to the daily time frame. So now we're back to the daily chart. I'm back to all cash. I'm patiently waiting. My trading is definitely going to be affected by my travel this week, so I'm going to be more cautious, more patient, more picky. But I am looking for a higher low to form on the daily time frame for Bitcoin compared to its recent low of 7,927. So perhaps in the $8,200 area is a potential area to begin scouting. We have a daily inside bar forming today. On the 4-hour time frame, we had a little lower high and lower low, so we're clearly consolidating there. And on the hourly time frame, watching for the potential of hourly oversold conditions. If we do drop down to hourly oversold, that will put the price in the 8,200s, and perhaps an hourly oversold bounce is when the daily bulls will look to form that higher low. That's a potential scenario to be looking at. Otherwise, you could patiently wait, play the daily inside bar, and watch for a higher low to be confidently formed. And in order to form that higher low on the daily, to be confident, we need the 4-hour time frame to change the trend back to the bulls with a higher low and a higher high. So here's our lower high and lower low beginning consolidation. We need a higher low and a higher high for the bulls to regain the 4-hour trend and for us to be confident that our daily higher low has been established. Ethereum, so highlighted the scenario that if Bitcoin forms a lower high compared to 8,880, that Ethereum is going to form a lower high to stay in this daily equilibrium. That's what's following through. The bulls are looking for a higher low compared to 656. Daily inside bar forming here as well. 4-hour time frame, lower high and lower low. So we lose the 4-hour higher low pattern. We look to the daily chart now. Hourly RSI getting oversold, and it will get oversold before Bitcoin does. Constantly watching ETH BTC, because if this daily higher low pattern is broken on this chart, which we're getting real close, 8243 key support, if that level is broken, I will begin to shift my perspective and will no longer go to ETH automatically as my trade. I will then be shifting and watching either Bitcoin, BCH, or LTC. So key support approaching for ETH. Daily equilibrium is still very clear for ETH. We're looking for the higher low to form, and we're patient. Could take another day. You can see the volume is continually dropping off in this equilibrium pattern. Litecoin led the way to the downside. The daily chart clearly forming a lower high compared to 149, and the 4-hour time frame changing the trend. And the dump on the hourly time frame and the 4-hour time frame for Litecoin happened first, and you can see we just absolutely dumped from this morning, lower highs and lower lows, and we're coming down to test the low. So bottom line, to wrap it up, this is going to be the shortest video in history of a year of doing them. But Bitcoin consolidating, we're looking for hourly oversold for a potential entry opportunity. We're looking for the 4-hour time frame to change the trend to potentially give us the signal the daily higher low has formed, and we need to change the trend on the daily time frame with a higher low and then a break of the lower highs in order to be confident that our weekly higher low has formed on this equilibrium. That's where we stand. I'm not doing anything. Hourly RSI would be the first place that I do something. If we don't get an oversold drop to be looking for an entry, then patiently waiting for the trend to change on the 4-hour time frame at a minimum. If that trend changes on the 4-hour time frame, stops could go below the low of this consolidation, as that would be the signal that the daily higher low is in. And if we were to get stopped out below that level, then clearly the daily higher low is not in. So that's where we stand. Just a quick update. I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe I'll do one real early tomorrow morning before I go to this conference. And I'll post some updates about this conference as it goes, as well as the live stream link as it is going to be live streamed. I appreciate you all watching. Hope you continue to do good things, and I'll see you tomorrow.